this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can update news or blog on your website. So generally, news and blog is a series of articles piling up on the homepage of your website, and the latest one being on the top. It is a crucial parameter to generate traffic on your website, simply because the people visiting your website might see that there is fresh content regularly, so they are more likely to come back. And also you can get acknowledged by search engine as a regular content provider. In this last case, you need to make sure that the content you're creating here is unique and not copied from somewhere else on the web. Let's go on and create a new article to feed our blog. So to do that, I'm going to go into the control panel of the website, and from here I'm going to click on Article Manager. The Article Manager shows me the entire list of all the articles we have in the website, and before we do anything we want to sort those articles and sort them and only have the news or blog. So you have to look for news or blog or any title which looks like news or blog into these two drop-down lists and select one, and here you can apply a filter, and here I can see only the articles which are basically my news and blog articles. So it's very simple to create a new one. I just need to create on new here on the top right hand side of your screen, and I just invent a title called test, and I'm just going to put the one word article test, and you can see that the section is already rightly set on Great Bay Express in this particular case, and the category is on news. I'm just clicking on save. And if I refresh the home page of my website, I should see my test article just coming up here. Same example in another website, Marquis Hotel. So we want to create another article which is going to pile up on top of this one. And I'm going to go to the control panel of this website, Article Manager. In this case, look for news and blog. So I have a blog here. I could have also selected this one, news and specials, as long as you have a news or a blog inside. And here I see I have only one article, and I'm going to create a new one by clicking on new here on the top right hand side, and I'm going to call it test as well, and test, and I'm just going to save that. And I can see it's here on my list of articles, and if I refresh the home page of the website, now I have my test article into my blog and news section. So coming back to the Great Bay Express website, I'm just going to change this example here, which is not very satisfying. I'm just going to call it this is a test. And here, instead of having just one word, I want to copy and paste the text from a Word document. So I'm doing this purposely to show you that it's a bit tricky to copy and paste from Word, but it's possible. You just need to copy that, and you go back on your website. Instead of pasting directly here, it's important that you use this button, Paste from Word. And from there, it's going to open a small window. You just paste into this small window and insert. We have to use this button because we need to remove some formatting generated by a Word document which is not compatible with the web. So it's important to use this paste from Word, or you can also use this paste as plain text. This is exactly almost the same function. And once you're done with that, you just need to save. And here I have my this is a test article modified from the one I had before, and if I refresh my home page, I should see my my article a bit more. And let's say I change my mind and I find this this test here is not right for now, and I just can select it and trash it. It's going to delete the article from the website, and you can see now I only have this one article here, and if I refresh my home page, that's the article I have here. And now back in the same situation where I still have this test article that I don't want to see on my homepage at this point, I can always also go into my article manager and see where this test here is, and instead of trashing it like what we just did, we can also unpublish it. By doing this, actually it won't show in the website, but you still keep it in the database and you can use it later by republishing it like this. So unpublished, and if I check my homepage, this should disappear and I only have my main article here. And if I publish it again and I go back here and I refresh my homepage. And finally, the last thing I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to integrate a picture within the text. So same thing, I go into the article manager and I'm going to use an article I created already. This is a test. Here we go. And I want to insert a picture here on the left hand side of the text. So to do that, you need to have your picture prepared. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this because there is a previous tutorial entirely dedicated to this, but basically you need to drag and drop your original pictures, which most likely is way too big. Press enter, and there you have your picture ready. And here from my website, I'm just clicking here at the beginning of my text, and I'm going to click on the Insert Edit Image button. It's going to open another window, and from here I'm just going to click on the Upload button. And by doing this, I get another window again, and then I can click on Add, and then it's opening a window which allows me to select. So I'm just going to select the picture I reformatted in 250 pixels, and I'm going to open that, and it's here in my list, and I'm just going to upload that. Now it's done, so I just can cancel this window, and I can see my picture here. I could have selected another one, but this is the one I want to select right now. And I'm just going to click on Insert, and here it is in my text. So I just need to save after that. And I can check my home page, and I should have my leaf picture, if I refresh, here next to my text.